5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello! I'm unboxing March. A little bit late, but I was so excited about this box, I just had to share. So the Black Needle Society is a retreat in a box. And if you are a member, it is bi-monthly. I'm not a subscriber, I'm on the waiting list. So they have subscriber boxes, and they also have special edition boxes that come out. So for March, the theme was the Black Needle Society, Saturday morning stitching. And at first I saw this and I didn't really make the connection, but I think it's a Gen X thing. When I got the box and opened it, I squealed. I was so excited, and this to me has been my favorite box. The Black Needle Society is run by an incredible mother and daughter duo who are so talented. So what I love about the Black Needle Society is that it's exclusive and it's a surprise. Wonderful surprises. And this right here is their spoiler page, which tells you what's in the box if you cannot wait. So, first of all, the box is gorgeous. There is nothing better than coming home and seeing a box that says Stitchy Magic packed up just for you. And it's quite a big box, and sometimes it's rather heavy. So the first thing, there was this box here, and a box in a box. And so, I love it. It's this really nice bowl. And I doubt I'll use it for cereal. I'll probably, I don't know, use it for an Ort bowl or supply bowl. And if you can see, it says Stitchy Hoop Loops. Get it? Hoops, stitching. Yes, yes. This is so nice. It's so nice. Okay. And then everything is packed in such a whimsical, wonderful way. And these are donut socks. These are donut socks. Okay, I don't think I'll keep these long. I feel that my daughter is going to discover and take these. And then you have this cute little star bag. You never know what you're going to get. You never know what the theme is. And a donut spoon. Do you see that? Do you see that? This is so cute. This is going to go on my wall. Behind is my desk. And when I have time to fix that up and clean it, next time you will see this on my magnet board. You will see this. Look at this spoon. It's so cute. It's so fabulous. So luckily you weren't around when I first opened my box and squealed because it was rather embarrassing. Now this box had fabric, and I was able to ask for Ada. Sometimes their colors are a bit dark. You know, Ada dyes lighter. I notice you can't pick the thread count. You cannot pick your fabric count. And I notice a lot of the fabrics are 32 count. So 32 count linen, even weave, and that would make it 16 count. And this is a gorgeous cafe au lait, it's called. If you can see some of that incredible variation, this is a wonderful piece. I could use it for the March pattern. I haven't decided yet, but this is a really nice big piece of linen, and it is by Fiber on a Whim, hand dyed, 16 count Ada cotton. It's a fat eighth, 18 by 13, cafe au lait. Look at that, if you can catch that variation. So I'm very, very happy with this choice. I'm very happy. So I'm not a subscriber, as I said, and I happened to catch an email, and it said, hey, if you want a March Unclaimed box, here's your chance. And I grabbed it, and this is one of my most favorite boxes ever. Floss. We can never have too much floss. We all know this. So let me take this out for you. It's by Night Stalkers Calling, and this is an ode to Jane Jetson. It's this beautiful variated purple, lavender, white, just really, really nice. And this, of course, is Smurf Blue. Very bright, very cute. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I'm going to do something with it. And I might use it on the pattern. And this is Shaggy, Ode to Scooby-Doo. Right? If you're Gen X, we all remember sitting far too close to the television set, you know, eating cereal. I'm not going to tell you what mine was, but something I don't eat anymore. Let's see. Oh, look at this great cross stitch pattern. It is by Flossie Fox Shop, and it is called Saturday Mornings, and it has a lot of hidden animals in here and very festive. And it's a, oh, sorry, full color chart. Don't want to violate copyright there. And then it has your color key. And this says it's 26 DMC colors, although of course you can use Cosmo or your overdyes. I love overdyes. And then it tells you the stitch count and everything. Oh, this is a fabulous chart. And you can see they used a nice neutral. And so that neutral fabric would probably work perfect for this. So exciting. And again, exclusive. You will not see this chart available anywhere else, at least for a few months. Sometimes I don't see these wonderful things appear again. They give you these great foil packets, and I've learned that you can just open them this way and not cut. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Look at this. Look at, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see the remote control? Can you see that? Okay, let me stop shaking with glee here. I know, I'm so over the moon excited. So of course, you know what you can do with this. This is your needle minder, and it's got a magnet right there, and you can put your needles, or you can actually pick this up and try to change the TV channels. This is so nice. Everything is well thought of. Everything is high quality, and you know, we cannot have enough of these. We cannot have enough needle minders. We all know this. Sorry for the ruffling. It's a zipper pull, but you could use as a charm, and it says Serial Starter. I'm not going to admit my guilt, but I might be called a serial starter. Right now, I'm trying to devote myself to one project, but I do have works in progress, and I do have things I'm waiting for. Isn't that? Everything's so heavy duty and such quality. It's incredible. Just incredible. I love these little bags. I reuse everything. Oh my gosh. It has a magnet on the back, and this is a needle minder. And let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Let me take it out of the little plastic bag here. I hope you reference what this logo is. This is how TVs used to be. Look at that. And you know who the remote control was? You were. You were the remote control. It says Saturday Morning Stitching, and I recognize that logo. I hope you do too. I'm getting a little bit of a reflection here. Let's see. Maybe if I hold up, maybe if I put the fabric here, maybe that would help. Oh, these donut socks are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, maybe let me do this. Okay, maybe that'll help a little so you can see that a little bit better. So when I first saw the theme, I wasn't overly excited. I thought, well, okay, you know, I'm not a subscriber. I won't get that. So it'll be fine. And then March is my birthday month. So I was incredibly excited. Let me see if I don't think I've left anything out, but the little booklet tells us. Stitching needle minder, inspired by the Looney Tunes. Saturday cartoon thread pack. Serial starter zipper pull or charm. You put that wherever you want. Remote needle case. Sorry, I should have called it a needle case. Donut socks. Hoop loop cereal bowl. The donut spoon. Cafe au lait fabric. And the pattern. Okay, so I have covered everything. And this is the mother and daughter duo responsible for Black Needle Society who make me so happy. Right now, so next month, I will get my novel in needles, which was based on villains. Loki and the Count of Monte Cristo were mentioned. So this is my first video. Thank you for being here. And I'll make a longer video explaining exactly what the Black Needle Society is and how you can be a part of it. Certainly email. Get on their email list, and you too can find joy in these great surprises. Exclusivity, surprises. It's awesome. Now, if you go to Black Needle Society, they do have something called the Vault, where they have extra things that you can purchase that might have been in this package. You can't build the whole kit, rarely, but you can see what kind of offerings they have. And again, it's a complete surprise. You order months in advance, you know the theme, but you have no idea what you're getting. I love it. I love it. So thank you, Stitchy friends. I hope to see you again. And hopefully you'll see what's in my lovely cross stitch studio. Bye for now. Ah, I'm so excited. So excited.